What is the best strategy for a lead gen on a brand new account, and how to get leads under target cost? You will have, look, initially your lead cost will be higher, right? And then as you keep optimizing them with new keywords and new negative keywords, your lead cost is going to go down. Give you a very quick example. Let's say you spend $100, you got one lead. Your lead cost is $100. In the next $10, you get two leads. So now you spend 110 and you got, let's make it 50 to make the math simple. 150 you spent, you got three leads. Your lead cost has come down in half to $50, right? Then you keep on doing. So the more leads you keep getting at regular interval, the CPA is going to go down. So it's impossible. And if you go on target CPA and you tell Google, I need $10 leads, it may struggle to even get you impression, forget about getting leads. So if your target CPA is $10, I would put in as 50. Give Google a lot of wiggle and room and budget. That is the most important thing. You got to give it budget. You can't give it $10 a budget, $10 budget per day, and you want $50 leads, because it just won't work.